Secrets to remove hard inquiries from your Equifax and Experian credit report. This is huge for anyone who's looking to remove hard inquiries without paying any money to any of these credit repair agencies. This is a very important guide. So if you have hard inquiries on your credit and you would like to remove them, then right here in this video we are going to tell you about the secrets to remove hard inquiries from your Equifax and Experian in 2025 and 2026. This is a very important video from Credit Oak, so make sure you stay with us till the end of this video. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. If you are interested in it, then make sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So let's start the video with this very important thing to remember. Again, this is a very important guide for anyone who's looking to remove hard inquiries from their credit so their credit score can go up. But there are some very important things that you need to remember. Starting with, do not do this for inquiries that are connected to your open accounts. Means that you applied for a credit card and it got approved and you have that credit card. So means that that account is actually open and reflecting on your credit report. Don't even try to use this trick to actually dispute the hard inquiry. Remember, do not do this for inquiries that are connected to your open account. This is important. Please keep this in mind, as it could lead to a huge problem for you. But if you have hard inquiries and you don't have any account connected with it, means you don't have an open account, then this will work. Well, moving on, the first step, as there are several steps that you need to follow, and these are very easy steps, so make sure you stay with us till the end. The first step is go to this website, as this is very important. Well, www.sagestreamllc.com. again, www.sagestreamllc.com. then Transunion and Equifax will not ask lender directly for proof. So what I mean by that, remember, when you go to sagestreamllc.com, they have their system and SageStream is one of them. So when Transunion and Equifax will not ask lender directly for their proof, so what they do, they actually go through their system. So they have their system and SageStream is one of them. Go and freeze your credit there. So when you go to SageStream LLC, you need to freeze your Transunion and Equifax credit report. Once you do that, then we'll move towards the second step. But remember, this is very important. Go to sagestreamllc.com and freeze your credit report. Then go to this website, www.lexisnexis.com. again, www.lexisnexis.com. then Transunion and Equifax will not ask lender directly for proof. Again, the Transunion and Equifax will not be able to ask lender directly for proof if you do this. They have their system and LexisNexis is one of them. Right there, you have to go and freeze your credit there. Well, let me just clear this confusion. So when you freeze your credit report, so of course these two, Equifax and Transunion, will not be able to verify those hard inquiries from the lender directly. And you remember that if you don't have that open account connected to that hard inquiry, it's useless anyway. Moving on with the third step, and this is very important. So the first step is SageStream, the second step is LexisNexis. You need to freeze your credit report from both of those sites. And then the third one is dispute letter. Well, go to Fair Credit Act, then go to section 604 and download form 604. It's really easy. Just write on Google Fair Credit Act. Then right there you go to section 604 and then you need to download the form 604. This is important because this is the dispute letter that you need to download. Then here comes the step 4. Well, put your hard inquiries you want to dispute in this form. This is very important. In form 604, you need to put your hard inquiries you want to dispute. Again, it's a disclaimer that you shouldn't put, and you don't have to put, and you shouldn't put, or this is mandatory for you not to put the hard inquiries that are actually connected to your open accounts. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purpose only. So do your own research and due diligence before doing anything. But again, this is the normal steps that every credit repair agency or person uses. Then when you put your hard inquiries in form 604, you don't need to sign the letter. Remember, when you put your hard inquiries in form 604, do not sign the letter. This is important. But remember, in some cases, maybe if you mistakenly put a hard inquiry that are actually connected to the open account or something, so you will not be liable for it. Remember, this is important. And technically, this one is used for the hard inquiries that you don't put. Like, for example, you go to a car dealership, you applied for a car loan, and without your authorization, they actually ask multiple lenders, and you have multiple hard inquiries on your credit, which is quite painful to see, because these lenders and these auto companies, they don't even care about the consumer. So keep this in mind. Well, then here comes the step 5, and this is also very important. Send letter to Transunion and Equifax. Then you need to send this letter to Transunion and Equifax. And remember, do not sign the letter. Again, I'm telling you, do not sign the letter. And you need to use certified mail only. Why? So you get to know that when they received this very important letter that you send them. Well, keep this in mind, and this is very important. You need to send this letter to Transunion and Equifax and use certified mail only. The address are all up there. You can search on Google, you'll get it. It's right there. You can take it from their website as well. Now, what you need to do, and this is important. Well, they will not be able to verify inquiries, and inquiries will be removed because you have already froze your credit from LexisNexis and Sage Stream. So how come they're going to verify the credit? They cannot ask the lender. So that's how your hard inquiries will be removed. Well, this is a very, very important, a very detailed video. If you would like to remove your hard inquiries, just follow these 5 steps and you'll be able to do it. Well, remember, if you have any questions regarding this, write in the comment section and I'll be able to answer each and every question of yours. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. In order to watch that video, make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it, and don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.